Hi, my name's Gabe. Welcome to TLG's Used Truck Center. Today I'd like to talk to you about our 2021 and 2022 Freightliner Cascadia 116. We have 50 of these in stock, miles in the low 2s to low 4s. Prices range from $55,950 to $77,950. All these trucks will have a fresh premium service, a fresh DOT. They all have factory EW3 warranty remaining for engine and after treatment components. All of these trucks will have brand new virgin drive tires on them. On these trucks we have a 60-inch sleeper. They all come with a new mattress. It's a single bunk. These trucks have Detroit Assurance collision mitigation systems. They all come with filter monitors for your air filters. We have interlocking axle switches, kingpin release, as well as an air slide fifth wheel button in here. All your radio controls and volume controls are on your wheel. These trucks are all in the miles of the low 2s to low 4s, and all the trucks also have an inverter.